y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Moody and I am back with another hair video, to be exact. Okay, y'all been asking Moody, where the hair tutorials, when you gonna drop a hair video? And I'm like, listen y'all, when I'm gonna do my hair, when am I gonna wash it? I got y'all. So I finally washed my hair. I can't stop touching it. It feels so soft and moisturized. Yes. So yeah, I did this braid out. This is how I typically do my braid outs. This is typically the products I use and everything like that. And I'm just going to show you guys my current braid out routine. If it's helpful to you, then make sure you like this video. If anything else you guys want to see, make sure you let me know down below. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and notification bell. Y'all excuse Ariana and her TV watching in the background. The disrespect. I think that's all. Don't forget to add me on Instagram and everything like that. I'll see you guys in my next video. So I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed. I like to air dry it for a few hours and either twist or braids. So I'm going to take one of my twists down and start working on this particular section. I'm going to start by first finger detangling. This is so that I can kind of keep my volume. I'm going to take my Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. Continue to finger detangle. Then I'm going to take my Shea Butter. I have no idea what kind of Shea Butter this is. Just some random stuff I found at the drugstore, beauty supply store. And then this is a mixture of my favorite oils all together in one. And this is going to lock in everything. And then the star of the show is this Easy Twist Gel and Butter by Dark and Lovely, the all natural line. People always ask me if I use gel or cream. I use both in this little concoction. And I'm just going to start braiding my hair down. If you cannot tell, I did not use a comb. Like I said, I finger detangled. Then when I get to the bottom, I'm going to spray my ends wet, comb them out, and add a little bit more moisturizer and begin to twist down. Pretty easy. Like I said, all I'm doing is really showing you guys the products I use. And I'm just going to do that to every twist that I take down. I will say that doing this style, the way that I do it, is going to give you more volume than definition, definitely. If that's something that you want, which anybody who knows me knows that I like my hair to be big. I don't really care about curl or definition, rather. I don't mind frizz. That's why I do it this way. If you want volume, then this would be a really good way to do your braid outs. Sometimes I'll wet my whole like twist or section that I'm working on, but typically I just like it to be damp. After I do all my braids, I'm just going to take some oil and just give myself a little scalp massage and put it on all my braids to further moisturize and give myself some shine. I think I have a total of 8 to 10, maybe I have 10 braids in my head. And I'm just going to sleep like this and take my hair down tomorrow. While I'm baking, as you can tell, I do have some oil on my hands and I'm just going to take down my braids. I like to take my braids down first, and then I like to go in and kind of fluff and further separate my braids so that I can pick how much volume and everything that I want. I'm sorry about the lighting. I've noticed that when I shoot during the day that it's definitely going to change like back and forth. It's kind of annoying, but whatever. So now that my hair is all separated all around, you can either leave your hair like this if you choose to. Me, I want my volume, I want my frizz. So I'm just going to go in and kind of just pull apart where my hair naturally separates. As you can see, I'm literally just pulling on my hair, and then, I don't know, it separates. So I just go with it. And that's pretty much, yeah, my routine. I'm just going to let you guys continue to watch. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.